Dear students, in the previous video you have learnt about the area of a triangle and a parallelogram. Now in this video you are going to learn about circles. Circles. You already know that a circle is a plane curve, every point of which is at the same distance from a fixed point called the center of circle. The distance from the center to a point on the circle is the radius. A straight line which joins two points on the circle and passes through the center is a diameter. Diameter divides a circle into two equal parts. Each part is known as the semicircle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference is the spatial name given to the perimeter of a circle, that is, distance all around it. Circum in Latin means round and ferro means carry. Let's do an activity of a circle. For that, following materials are required: scissor, string, ruler, compass, pencil, and sheet. Draw a circle of any radius using compass. Cut a circle using scissor. In this way, a circle is cutted. Now measure their circumference using string and ruler. Like this, you will measure the circumference of the circle. Now cut the string with the help of scissor. Now measure the string with the help of ruler. As we have taken the radius 3.5 centimeter, therefore the diameter is equal to 7 centimeter, and with the help of string we have find out the circumference, that is 22 centimeter. When I divide circumference with the diameter, we get 22 by 7 or 3.14. So what do you observe? Is the circumference is always a little more than 3 times the diameter. This ratio is constant and is denoted by the symbol pi. Its approximate value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Of a circle. A circular table is to be covered with a glass sheet. To buy glass, what measure do we need? We need to find the area of glass required. Since the edges of a circle are curved, we cannot use any of the formula already learned. Let us drive a formula for finding the area of a circle. 22.7 or 3.14. Circle is equal to area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle, that means half of circumference multiply radius. The formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So when we'll multiply it by half, we'll get pi r, and multiplied by radius, that is pi r square. Thus we see that area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Here r is equal to radius of the circle. Let's do an activity to find the area of a circle. For that, we need a sheet, compass, to draw a circle of any radius. Now draw a circle of any radius on a sheet of paper in this way. Now we have to cut this circle with the help of scissor. In this way, a circle will be made. Now Fold the circle into eighths. 1, 2, and again once more. Now when we'll open this sheet, we'll find in 8 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now cut along the folds. In this way. These are the separate 8 pieces. Now try to make a parallelogram from these pieces. What do you see? Does it look like a parallelogram? In fact, if make more sectors, say 16 or 32, the figure will look more like a parallelogram. Thus, C upon D is equal to pi, where C is equal to circumference and D is equal to diameter, or C is equal to pi D. We know that D is equal to 2R, so C is equal to pi D is equal to pi multiplied 2R, or you can say that C is equal to 2 pi R. Thank you.